There are many kinds of mushroom growing kits available on the market today. They come with growing medium, already inoculated with spores. The mycelium covered block is typically in a mushroom growing bag that can sit for some time, especially if kept cool in the refrigerator. All kits should contain some type of substrate. Psilocybin and psilocin are illegal to possess, obtain or produce without a prescription or license, as they are Schedule E. Alternatively, you can grow mushrooms in straw or sawdust blocks, with less effort, but also less substrate for the mycelium. You can find mushrooms in the supermarket, but where's the fun in that? A mushroom growing kit is easy to grow with lots of fun results. An organic mini mushroom growing kit can provide a harvest in 15 to 21 days. The oyster mushroom kit comes ready to grow, and all you need to do is keep it inside and spray into the top hole. The mushrooms will sprout in clumps from the hole, although not always at the same time. Keep spraying until you are ready to pick. Then cut off the whole clump and remove it. Keep spraying and you will get more growth a week or 3 later. It is possible to buy magic mushrooms growing kits, that is, kits for growing hallucinogenic mushrooms. Of course, there is the small caveat that the kits might be illegal in your jurisdiction. The reason the kits are available is that in many countries, there is no law against possessing spores or mycelium of hallucinogenic mushroom species. Only possessing the fruiting bodies is a crime. So a company can legally produce and sell the kits, provided they never allow their mushrooms to fructify. The customer bears the risk of prosecution, and is responsible to know the laws in their area. If you are on a budget, a kit is highly recommended. It likely includes everything you need for your first grow. It may surprise you to learn that there are over 14,000 kinds of mushrooms. A number of them are deadly to eat, but there are also many that are delicious to eat. A mushroom kit can help you get started and learn how to grow your favorite varieties at home. You can find kits for growing shiitake, oyster mushroom, lion's mane, button, portobello, and more. These are just some of the popular mushroom varieties for cooking. Are you ready to get started?